This is proof of them using a lag switch. I'll just get it the way it is.
You legit froze for like fucking.
My partner was talking to him earlier on Twitter, and they were saying they were downloading an IP flutter, or an IP flutter and a lag switch. Alright, this is just from far. Alright, it's whatever. Right here. Alright, so he kills my guy. And right here, I kill the first guy. And it was longer than this. I don't know why I skipped, but I killed the first guy. And then I got stuck, and then all of a sudden I died. It doesn't look like a lag switch, but you can see it's glitching. It doesn't look like it now. But watch this. He's moving perfectly fine, and I'm stuck in one spot. 0-1. As you can see it lagged. Look, he's moving perfectly fine, and I'm stuck in one spot. He used the lag switch on me on that round. Right away.